The 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser marks the revival of an iconic off-roader that has been missing from Toyota's lineup since 2014. Known for its rugged capability and retro-modern design, the FJ Cruiser's return reflects Toyota's commitment to providing robust, adventure-ready vehicles for off-road enthusiasts. With the 2025 model, Toyota blends the retro appeal of the original FJ with modern advancements, ensuring that the new FJ Cruiser not only honors its roots but also competes in today's high-tech SUV market. The 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser maintains much of the bold, boxy aesthetic that made the original model instantly recognizable. The design is still heavily inspired by the classic Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 from the 1960s, but with modern refinements that give it a futuristic edge. The round, signature headlights are retained, but are now upgraded with advanced LED technology for better illumination and efficiency. These lights are integrated into a sleek front grille that gives the vehicle a more aggressive stance. Rugged bumpers, skid plates, and exposed tow hooks emphasize the FJ Cruiser's off-road focus, while a full-size spare tire mounted on the tailgate not only pays homage to its heritage but also serves a practical purpose for off-road adventurers. The 2025 FJ Cruiser comes with durable all-terrain tires wrapped around 17 or 18-inch wheels, giving it a formidable presence on and off the road. Inside, the 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser combines retro styling cues with modern technology, resulting in a cabin that is both rugged and refined. The dashboard maintains the simple, functional layout from the previous generation, but with significant upgrades in terms of materials and technology. Soft touch materials are strategically placed to enhance comfort while maintaining the durable feel that off-road enthusiasts expect. The cabin also offers a variety of storage options, with large bins, cup holders, and cubbies strategically placed throughout for convenience. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser is powered by a robust V6 engine that is optimized for both on-road performance and off-road capability. The engine produces around 300 to 320 horsepower, offering ample power for traversing tough terrains or merging onto highways. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this engine ensures smooth shifting and consistent power delivery. In terms of off-road geometry, the 2025 FJ Cruiser boasts impressive approach, breakover, and departure angles, allowing it to navigate steep inclines and rough terrain with ease. The 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser is a modern interpretation of a classic off-roader, retaining the rugged DNA that made the original model a cult favorite while incorporating modern technology, safety, and comfort features. The 2025 Toyota FJ Cruiser, a worthy successor to the original, continuing its legacy as one of the most beloved off-road vehicles in Toyota's history.